everyone, this is Samantha and I'm with Better Homes and Garden Real Estate. Welcome to this beautiful gated community with panoramic views of the bay. Single family homes built in 2017. Let's go take a look. Luxurious master suite with a jacuzzi tub and a sizable master bedroom. You have to come and experience this luxurious master suite in person. So much for taking this video tour with us. You have to come and experience this luxurious home and beautiful view in person. See you all soon. Bye.